Long ago, in a powerful city called Ur, people trusted idols made of stone. They believed these statues could protect them, guide them, and bless them. The streets were busy, markets were loud, temples were full, but among all these people lived a quiet man named Abram. He was not famous, he was not rich, he was not a king, but his heart was different. While others bowed to stone, Abram looked at the sky.
Lord, are you there?
And wondered who made it. One silent night, while the stars filled the heavens, Abram heard a voice, gentle, strong, and holy.
Abraham,
It was the voice of God.
leave your land.
God told Abram to leave his home, leave his people, leave everything familiar. God promised to guide him to a new land. God promised to bless him, and God promised that through him, a whole world would one day be blessed. Abram was afraid. He was old. He had no children. He had no map, but he trusted the voice, and faith took its first step. Abram told his wife Sarai.
God spoke to me.
Then we trust him.
She listened quietly. Then she chose faith too. They packed their belongings.
We will go.
Everything is ready. Then let us depart.
They gathered their servants, and Abram's nephew Lot joined them.
Uncle, I will come with you.
Together they walked into the unknown. Days became weeks. Weeks became months. Through deserts, through valleys, through fear.
It is far.
Do you regret leaving?
Never.
Hold on.
God is with us. It is beautiful.
Until they reached a land called Canaan. God spoke again and said,
This land is yours. Thank you, Lord.
Abram knelt in the dust and thanked God. But life was not easy. A famine came. Food vanished. They traveled to Egypt to survive.
No food remains.
We go to Egypt.
Later, Abram and Lot became very wealthy, many animals and servants. Their land could no longer support them both. Abram gave Lot the first
Choose
choice.
first, Lot.
I choose this land.
Lot chose the green valley. Abram remained in the dry hills.
Wow, look at that light. It's incredible. Come on. We're almost there.
That night, Abram felt lonely, childless, old. He asked God how his promise could ever come true. God told him to look at the stars.
Count the stars. So will your children be. I believe you.
Abram believed. Years passed. No child came. Sarai grew tired of waiting.
Maybe God forgot.
Hope faded. But God had not forgotten.
He never forgets.
I know.
One day God returned and changed their names.
You are Abraham.
Abram became Abraham, father of many. Sarai became Sarah, mother of the nations. God promised that Sarah herself would bear a son.
Sarah will bear a son.
Me?
Sarah laughed. She was too old, but God said nothing was impossible. And in time, Isaac was born.
Isaac.
My son.
God kept his promise.
Laughter filled their home. God's promise had a heartbeat. Years later,
Give me Isaac.
God tested Abraham.
My son.
He asked him to give Isaac back. Abraham's heart shattered, but his faith stood firm.
Good morning, Father.
He walked up the mountain with his son.
Where are we going?
To worship.
Every step is heavy.
Where is the lamb?
God will provide.
Father?
Yes, my son. I love you.
I love you too.
My
Every
son.
breath is painful. At the altar, Abraham lifted his hand, and God stopped him. A ram appeared. God had provided, and God spoke again. Because you trusted me, through your family all nations will be blessed.
Through you, nations will be blessed.
You saved me.
God did.
Abraham returned home not just as a father.
God is good.
Always.
You are safe.
Sarah.
Mother!
Our God is faithful.
From one man. Came hope for all. I trust you. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching this video.